Hi, today we're going to be making Reshmi Kababs. We've started out with 2 pounds of chicken breasts that we've cut into cubes that are about an inch thick. We'll be starting with our spices. Here we've got about 3 teaspoons of powdered ginger, about 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, and about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. To this we will be adding about a tablespoon of salt and about 1 cup of Greek yogurt. On the side here we've also got mint leaves, coriander leaves, and 3 green chilies. We will be blending this up into a sauce to add to the Reshmi Kabab marinade. So we blended together the coriander leaves, the mint leaves, the 3 green chilies, and in order to thicken the puree a little bit, we added half of an onion. So now we're just pouring this in here and we're going to mix it all together. I will be adding about a tablespoon of oil as I mix, just in order to help the binding process and help everything mix together really nicely. So we've mixed it all together. I'll be leaving the marinade in the fridge for about half an hour. If you are making this recipe ahead of time to cook at a later date, you can put it in the freezer for storage. Alright, so it is time to fry our kebabs. I'll be putting about 2 tablespoons of oil into this pan. And we're going to let that get warm, about medium heat on your oven. And I have put the kebabs on these tiny wooden skewers. I'll place them down like this into the hot oil. And I will let them cook for about 2 minutes or maybe a little more on each side, so roughly a total of 5 minutes. If you'd like to make this recipe in the oven, the kebabs can also be baked as well. They need about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. It's been about 2.5 minutes, so I'm going to just flip each of these over. Alright, the kebabs are ready to serve. They're looking really good. This recipe is so easy to make. The ingredients come together to give it this aromatic scent, and you end up with a kebab that is so moist and juicy. Mouth-watering Reshmi Kababs.